Okay, there I just clicked on the application in my library, and it's going to take a moment for the guided meditation application to load. This can also be influenced by your Wi-Fi connection. So you just want to go ahead and let it take a moment to load. And you can go ahead and start out and click on featured meditation if you want. Really encourage you to explore. It's a really simple application to use. You could do a quick meditation. You can do a custom meditation. You can, choose your different environment here. It's going to take a moment for that environment to download. You can go into the settings and adjust how loud the music is or how loud the meditation is. So you have some setting options to explore. And this is going to download the scene, and then you'll pick your meditation and the music to go with it. And you can decide timed, not timed, timed. There's all different types to choose from, different languages. I love. I would suggest doing 2 to 5 minutes to get started. Self-compassion is always a good one to do. So then it's going to put the 3 things that I want to use as my meditation together. And you'll see that screen there. That means it's taking you in.
This guided meditation is a variant on the classic loving kindness.
Then you can go ahead and use the environment as a way to anchor yourself in the meditation and explore, listen to the meditation. If you want to close your eyes, if you want to take a break, feel free. This is an exploratory study. So you'll go in, and I encourage you to take your oculus, go with you during the day, do 2 to 5 minutes here or there. No need to do 30 minutes all at once. This should be something that you want to sort of incorporate into your daily life. And remember to take notes. This is an exploratory study, so any thoughts that you have as you're engaging with any of these applications are important.